them left for a minute.
They're sorting themselves.
They go off. I just gotta look.
Boys on the bottom. Hi. Hi, hoodlets.
Hootingers.
What? No. Amanda, aren't they just like...
They are just
unbelievably adorable.
precious.
Nice. Little yawning boy there. There's something underneath. Do we have any fabric or anything on the black velvet? Maybe put it in the box.
Oh. Chrissy Jr. This is Chrissy Jr. Amazing.
General Petraeus. Oh, I think I just
He was
missed
just
it.
about to grab it and she pushed my arm away. He would have been no.
Yeah, that's just what
That's
I...
called...
We had a warm winter.
Oh God, she is so feeble and perfect. Isn't she?
She's Chrissy Jr.
Hi!
So, like, interactive.
Aww.
Chrissy Jr.
Little corn. Little corn. Baby corn.
Corn.
Baby corn. She's baby corn. 3, 2, 1. Oops. Too much. Yeah, it was too much. Can you put her on the other side? In the sun, yeah. Yeah. That's where the key light is.
Oh. Jade. Baby corn. Corny Jr.
Can you fit her in the bowl again? The real trick is getting this patch of blue sky behind him.
Where's the rat? Where's the rat? Look at Chrissy Jr. Come on, guys. Good boy. Where are your puppies? Hi. Hello. You just all over. Who's here, of course?
Good.
Chrissy Jr. Chrissy Jr. Come on, Chrissy Jr. You're not Chrissy Jr. Come here. Elvis. And there's Grandma Jade. And the papa. Elvis, come here. Come on.
Elvis. Come on, Mama.
Elvis. Elvis! Please play with Daddy. Bill.
Oh, yeah.
Go to Daddy. Elvis, lay down. Oh. And the onion broth.
Why you gotta take pictures of me with these kids crawling all over me? It's embarrassing.
Shows your extraordinary temperament.
Sure, I need evidence. Now I have to pay palimony.
Hey, hey.
Or alimony.
Hey, hey. Over on the grass, please. Here, what are you doing? What are you... No, no. Come on. That's our way.
Go to Daddy.
Come on. Daddy, Daddy.
Grandmother, come here. Grandma Jade.
Helvy?
Do you like...
Baby corn will follow you in here. Imagine her. She's staring for grass.
This is new.
Grazing mood.
Kitty.
Hello. Hi. Oh, there goes Chrissy Jr.
Bel Pupper. Hot butter on what?
Unusual scenario. I was surprised myself. I didn't know what was the right thing. I don't want to get in this.
All right, I'm ready.
Bel. Careful.
Henry, you gotta get up above Lucky. She'll snatch it from you every time.
Tiny girl.
Don't chew or anything, Belle.
Elvis. Polly. Polly. Elvie. Zoshi. Henry. Lucky.
I got a great shot of Polly if you can get one.
Miley. Polly. Polly, 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 Polly.
That's what I wanted.
Your meat.
Oh, Elfie.
Miley.
I don't think they're lined up in an old political rally.
Henry.
Say what? The popcorn. And it just goes on like that for... it's a house song, so it does it for 10 minutes. How about it on what? Say what?
I think
the
I've
popcorn.
heard that song.
Popcorn. It's great. So
Oh, what?
So we say hot butter on what? Say what? The Bel Pop.
Put on the Bel Pupper.
Bel Pop. Bel Pop. Where's the rat?